good?
Yep.
All right, so this is day 4 of Carter's quarantine. Today we're doing a sprinkler line. And I'm gonna show you how to install sprinklers. Some of you guys do not know how to. So, I already had an existing sprinkler. I'm just adding them, but I'm also showing you how to replace it if you ever need to. Simple, easy way. I won't show you a long video. So this is where my sprinkler was, but I'm gonna spread it out because there's a couple of dry areas everywhere. So first things first, I'm gonna get right here. I'm gonna cut the pipe straight. Make sure it is clean, wiped off. You don't want no dirt going into the pipes or anything like that. That's kind of big. You'll clean it up after too. Okay, you can do whatever. And then you just go like this. That's it. This is the Husky, the pipe cutter that I got from Home Depot. Like I said, it's an amazing tool. Okay, watch out, Riley. So over here, what we have is glue. You got primer, and you also have the glue. This is purple and blue. Okay, you want to come down here, make sure everything's clean and dry. Stick a rag in there, just make sure. Dry it all up. That's that, right? So while that's drying, we're gonna come over here to this side. While that's drying, we're gonna get about 3/4 inch PVC pipe right here, nice long one. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna connect it to here. That's where it's gonna connect. And we're gonna want it to go right where it's at. Okay, maybe a little bit shorter. It's gonna have a little bend, as you can see. So I'm gonna about to be maybe about right here. Okay, nothing got. You're doing sprinklers, so nothing has to be perfect.
I'm gonna do sprinklers.
I mean, you don't want to get a tape measure out and do all that, but at the end of the day, wherever the sprinkler is, it's gonna get water in that whole section, no matter what. You put it in the corner here, so you want it more up here, so you're also gonna kill it too with the weed whacker. And also, I do it a little bit more up, where the kids don't break it. That's all. It's skateboarding. So, like I said, my Husky pipe cutter, perfect, beautiful. Look how simple that was. Set that up right there. Okay. So now, 3/4 inch pipe. Keep going. I'm gonna go right here, right? My Teflon tape. I'm gonna get my sprinkler, Orbit sprinkler, 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch risers. Everything's perfect. I go 3 inch, 3/4. Okay, you will. And I do it to 1/2 inch to give it some more pressure up. Big pressure on the bottom, big pressure up. Small pressure. Okay. So now I'm gonna need my glue. Okay. Here's my glue. I'm gonna let you. You gotta give me a second. I help you. So this is what we do. First things first, you want a primer. This is the glue. This is the primer. You want a primer first, always. Primer is almost like a sense of cleaner. You're cleaning the dirt. Oh, a little tight. Oh wow. Real tight. Okay, brand new. Okay, so you want to do it somewhere where you don't care where you're going to get primer on. You want to go like this. This cleans all the dirt. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you want to come over here, clean this one. It's just, all it does is clean the dirt. That's all it does. All it does. Not much. Okay, so now you're going to want to get your glue. Dang, these are tight.
It's my turn.
Give me 1 second. All right, how to get a pair of pliers. Sorry about that. Stuff is tight. It's all really tight. Okay. So now, show the dirt's off. I kind of actually dropped it in there on accident. Wanted to let it out. Watch yourself, cameraman. All right, there you go. After that, this is the glue. It's what you put in.
Smells really good.
Smells like what? Paint? No, paint?
Yeah.
Like, back up. You shouldn't be smelling it. Back up, please. Back up, please. Over there by Isaiah, please. This is not for good for kids because it has chemicals, just like spray paint, anything like that. So I don't lose focus. You just put a little bit of this on there, smear it pretty good.
I'm just gonna do the
And all this does is locks in the pipe so it doesn't fall out. So you go like this. You always want to push it in and also turn 3/4. That makes the glue all stick in there perfectly like that. Then you want to get your riser, right?
I'm gonna do the tape.
No tape. Okay, this is what she's talking about. This is the Teflon tape. You want to get Teflon tape on this? There you go. Do it to your bike. Do it right here. Teflon tape and just wrap it around the threads. Just because you're dealing with water, it's very simple. It's very easy. It's not, I mean, is it important? Yes, it is. So very cheap, very simple. Once you find it on the thread, it goes pretty easy. But so other than that, I mean, you should always do it. Just a nice quick wrap, nothing heavy. Just cover it, cover the threads, and that's all you got to do. Just a nice one like that, and rip it off. That's it. So now you have a 1/2 inch riser thread. I'm going to put that on top of this coupling. Put that on, sprinkler thread on, orbit, right on top of it, and that's it. Put it inside here in the trench. Watch out, Isaiah. Show them the trench. I'm not going to stick it in. I'm not going to make it a long video, but that's it. You stick it in, you cover the dirt on. Everything's done by hand. Shovel, that's all you need, and a little bit of water. Just a quick review on how to do a sprinkler system. I'm giving you an opportunity, and good luck out there. You have anything to say?
No,
You good?
it's a good day.
It's a good day.